Hello friends, I'm Vivek. Welcome all of you to my channel. So friends, in this video I will teach you to do eye shading and blending step by step. So as you can see, I have created an eyes and will make it just like that. In pencils 10B, HB and 4B will use. I have used both mechanical and wooden pencil in it. You can use any brand in graphite pencils. Maybe using local brushes and handmade blender for blending. We'll use kneaded eraser and tombow eraser for highlights. So let's start. We will use any HB pencil, wooden or mechanical, and apply the first layer slowly. So after it, 10B pencil will be used for the irises and pupil because it is extremely dark area. Using the HB pencil, we will shade the eyeball. You can see the other eye for the example. Now we will use 4B pencil and shade the dark areas around the eyes with light pressure. Now for eyebrow, we will apply the first layer with HB pencil. We will apply second layer with 4B pencil with light pressure. Now we will use both process or blender to blend it. Remember, we should always blend with light pressure. We can also use this soft brush for it. It is easily found in the local market. Okay, after doing this, we can see the difference between two. If you find it lighter according to your reference, so you can use more layers like this. Now we will use the kneaded eraser for highlights with light hands. We'll use mono eraser in same way and also apply the pencil strokes. I hope you guys like this video and will also be helpful. Comment in comment box how did you like this video and tell on which topic you want the next video. So guys, meet you with another useful topic. Until then, keep learning and stay safe. Bye.